Turkey acts as a physical and economic bridge between Europe and Asia. For foreign businesses looking to expand, that geography translates into massive economic access. This chart shows Turkey's youth population and digital adoption rates alongside European averages. The numbers here drastically outpace the rest of the continent, creating a highly lucrative, internet-native consumer base. Accessing those consumers requires moving thousands of tons of physical goods and digital services across an international border every single day. Assuming that volume of trade can flow through a standard, frictionless border process is a severe miscalculation for any foreign headquarters. The actual barrier to entry is administrative. Turkey enforces highly complex commercial and tax regulations specifically targeting non-resident companies. Fall out of compliance, and your market access vanishes. You physically cannot import or sell a single product. Attempting to manage tax filings and reporting from a foreign office almost guarantees missed deadlines, leaving revenue drained by audits and penalties. Eventually, the system shuts down entirely. Missing filings results in license suspensions and blacklists the company from working with local partners. Moving into this territory without a localized defensive strategy turns a high-potential market into a severe legal liability. Turkish law provides a specific mechanical solution, the Authorized Representative, known locally as a yetkili temsilci. The representative sits directly between your foreign headquarters and Turkish regulators, completely absorbing the administrative friction. Instead of struggling with unfamiliar legal codes, your financial data is converted into compliant filings to keep your entity in good standing. They stand as the official, on-the-ground point of contact to handle state audits, process legal correspondence, and navigate strict domestic data protection laws. This structure insulates your core business, allowing you to operate with the safety and legal recognition of a domestic Turkish entity. The necessity of local representation depends entirely on your sector, ranging from a recommended strategic advantage to an absolute legal requirement. For foreign companies dealing in medical devices or pharmaceuticals, an authorized representative is non-negotiable. Foreign manufacturers are legally barred from the market unless a localized agent registers their products directly with the Ministry of Health. In sectors like software, e-commerce, and fintech, the requirement scales. Specific thresholds in customs volume or financial data processing will automatically trigger the need for a localized representative. Your exact operational model dictates the level of representation required before you can safely sell a single product or service. Placing a local expert directly in the middle of this complex process completely eliminates the friction of market entry. A local, legally recognized presence proves to Turkish customers and suppliers that you are committed to the market for the long term. With the bureaucratic burden fully delegated, your executive team can focus their energy entirely on product localization and revenue growth. Proper representation transforms a compliance checkbox into a tool for faster market capture. To execute this correctly, you have to vet your localized partner. An effective representative needs deep, simultaneous expertise in both Turkish corporate law and localized tax codes to properly shield your business. You also need a highly transparent service contract, one that strictly outlines liability, details the compliance scope, and secures reporting mechanisms back to your headquarters. Expanding your business across international borders always carries risk, but with the right localized representative managing your compliance, accessing the Turkish market becomes a secure, predictable, and highly profitable expansion.